We just got this gas grill from Sam's Club and it needs a lot of assembly. It came well packed. Lay down a piece of cardboard and get started. There's nice instruction manual with 23 steps. Bolt the main frame together. Pull off all the stickers. This was a $200 grill that was on sale for about 150 bucks. We'll put on a side panel. We'll use C-bolts. These are labeled C-bolts. We'll slide the panel into place. We'll add the second panel. So far going together pretty good. Don't want to fully tighten any of the bolts. We'll put on the base. We'll need longer bolts for these. These are the bolts with an F on it. We'll screw them in a little bit. Add this door stop bracket. We'll add the casters. These are real nice. The wheels that lock go in the back, and the other ones go in the front. We've got 3 of them that swivel and 1 that doesn't. Not sure why. We'll tighten up all the bolts with the provided screwdriver. Place the handles on. It takes a few hands to do this. It's tough to get the screws started. We'll add the handle to the other door. We'll put on the doors. The doors have magnets on them. We'll put the second door on. They fit pretty nice. We'll add the heat shield. We'll add the big part of the grill onto the frame. Now it's starting to look like a grill. We'll add in the 4 screws. We'll add the thermometer. We'll screw it on from underneath. We'll add the left side table. We'll put the side cover on. We'll loosen up these screws on the side a bit. Once it's on, we'll tighten up the screws. We'll do the same thing to the burner side. When you slide these on, there's 2 screws that are pretty hard to get in down under here. The hardest one to get is this one here. The bottom one's a little easier. Right here is where the screw goes, but you can see it's really tight. This would be the most challenging bolt that we've had so far on this thing. Smaller hands would be a bonus here. All the metal's got to be lined up. It's in place now, but it's pretty tough up there. We'll put the burner side on. Another one of those tight bolts on the other side. We'll attach the gas knob by taking these screws and unscrewing them a little bit. Put the knob through the hole. Put the screws back in and tighten them up. We'll add on the shiny knob, press it in and turn it to turn on the gas. On this drip tray, we'll turn this handle around. They put it this way probably so it fit in the box. We'll put it on the track on the back, slide it in. A little drip tray that'll go onto the bottom. All the juices would drain into this and you just pull this one out. Add in the flame deflectors, place them into the grill, all 4 burners. They're just set into place. We'll place in all 4 of them. Put in the back grill, just sets into place. Set in the cast iron grill, just set them into place. That's the basic assembly on this grill. The steel on this feels a lot heavier than a lot of the other ones we've had. Came with a nice cover. We'll try throwing that on. It actually fits pretty nice. I gotta say, that's a nice touch.